Sit like a good boy.
Okay. What's
This is
says to Chopper loves Santa. Hey, that one's yours, man.
Come here, open up the gift. Open
Get
up
it.
your gift.
Go get it. You
Get
gotta open it.
Open.
Go on, get it.
Open your gift.
Get your gift there, Chopper. Open your gift. That's it. Open it up. What is it? What's in there?
Open it, good boy.
Bet you didn't have thumbs, eh, buddy?
I can put this right on Facebook.
Yeah.
Open it up.
What is that, Chopper? Open the gift. Good boy.
We did it!
Good boy.
Now let's open the box. I want a treat.
And there he goes to bed. Are you opening it? Get it.
God, it was good.
What? You almost got it. Get it. There it goes.
He's like, get me a treat now.
Yes.
Good boy. What did Santa bring?
You got cookies.
Cookies!
No, take one.
There. Good boy.
Merry Christmas, Chopper.
Look at Santa Love Chopper.
Ah.
Good boy.
Good.
There he goes.
All done.
Good. Put up second.
This is what he did. Upside down.
We
Like
go
a perfect-
upside down every year.
Yeah.
It was like a perfect slice.